Android 14 has been available to developers through a beta program for a couple of months now. Well, now's the time for consumers who have a Pixel device to get their hands on the first public beta of Android 14. I'm Jason Cipriani, and in this ZDNet how-to video, I'm going to walk you through how to enroll your Pixel device in Android 14 beta. So there's a couple of caveats to this entire program. First of all, it's a beta, so that means it's an unfinished operating system, and you have to be okay with living with some bugs and apps and issues and battery life being not that great for the next few months. If you're okay with that, and you have a qualifying Pixel device, which has to be the Pixel 4a 5G or newer, so all the way up to the Pixel 7, 7 Pro that were just released last year, you can enroll in this program. That's pretty much it. Oh wait, one more. If you decide the Android 14 beta isn't for you after enrolling in it, in order to go back to Android 13, which you can do, you have to completely factory reset and wipe your phone and start all over as if it was a brand new device. So once you make this decision, it's not permanent, but you should treat it as such because wiping your device is not a lot of fun. If you're okay with all of that, here's what you do. You go to google.com/android/beta and log into the Android beta program website with the same Google account that you use on your Android device or on your Pixel device in this case. At the top, it'll walk you through some of the caveats I just mentioned. There's a button there that says view your eligible devices. You'll click that and go down to where your devices are listed. Your Pixel phone will be listed here. Click on the opt-in button. This is an opt-in for the Android 14 beta program. There's terms and conditions here. There's also the warnings I just went through as this is unfinished and you're going to have issues. And if you go back to 13, you're going to have to wipe your device. Read through that if you want. I suggest you do. Scroll down to the bottom, click on I agree to the terms of the beta program, and then click confirm and enroll. Another pop-up is going to display, letting you know that your device is now part of the Android 14 beta program, and now you could finish the rest of the process on your device directly. Grab your Pixel phone. Swipe down from the top to pull down the quick settings panel. Scroll all the way down until you can see the settings gear icon. And then in the settings app, you're going to scroll to the bottom and find system, system update, and you're going to let your device connect to Google servers to look for a software update. I already have it installed on my device, but I had to go through the process or at least ask it to check for an update a couple of times after enrolling my phone. In the past, it's taken up to an hour sometimes for it to show up, but usually within 5 minutes it's there. Your phone will find an update just like it installs every monthly update from Google on your Pixel device, and then the process from there is identical. Install the update. It's always good to have a charger nearby as well as a strong Wi-Fi connection to speed up the process and make sure your phone doesn't run out of battery. Once you have it installed, you're up and running with Android 14. So what's new? What's different? Right now, not a whole lot. Google talks about a new back arrow that shows up. That has to be enabled manually in developer mode. There are some other options for a new share sheet. I haven't seen it yet in the last 24 hours of using the beta myself. Right now, I think it's mostly under the hood and for developers, but as we continue forward, and another beta is released next month at Google I/O, likely expanding the program to more devices if Google follows its similar pattern as it has in the past. Also, more consumer-facing features will be released into the beta at that time. And then eventually, there'll be another beta release in June, followed by stability releases in July and August is usually when we see the final official release for Pixel devices that trickles out to other Android OEMs and hardware partners. If I was you, I would wait until that June or July update in order to let Google iron out all of the bugs, the platform become more stable. Actually, those updates are called platform stability updates, no longer beta, as well as letting third-party developers integrate with the new API and ensure app compatibility. But if you like living life on the bleeding edge, you can take the plunge now. Once again, I'm Jason Cipriani. Thanks for watching this ZDNet how-to video. Make sure to check out zdnet.com for more tech tips just like this one, as well as all the latest news and reviews.